Morning children, today I am going to explain exercise 28. Here in this question they are asking to find the HCF of. So already you know the meaning of HCF, it is the highest common factor of the number. Okay, already you know the process how to do the HCF. See here the first question is 6 and 15. 6 and 15. Okay now. So you have to select in this smallest as divisor and greatest as dividend. Okay, 6 twos are 12, 3. You have to drop 6 as dividend. 3 twos are 6, remainder is 0. Up to do the process till we are getting the remainder is 0. Where to get the remainder 0? That divisor is the HCF. So HCF is equal to 3. It is 3. Okay. See the second problem, 8 and 20. 8 and 20. Okay now. See, take 8 as divisor and 20 as dividend. 8 twos are 16. 4 drop 8. 4 twos are 8. Remainder is 0. So HCF is equal to 4. HCF is 4. Okay. See the third problem. See the third problem. 7 and 28. Already you did these models in the 4th class. Here 7 is a factor of 28. 7 is a factor of 28. No need to do that process. Easily you can write the HCF. If it is a factor of the other number, then HCF is the set. Least number is the HCF and LCM is the highest number. So here 7 and 8 LCM is 28. Okay, now see the fourth problem. 12 and 16. 12 and 16. Take 12 as divisor and 16 as dividend. 12 ones are 12. 4, 12. 4 threes are 12. Remainder is 0. So HCF is equal to 4. See the fifth problem. 19 and 38. Here observe 19 twos are 38. Here 19 is a factor of 38. 19 is a factor of 38. So HCF is equal to 19. If it is factor, then that factor is HCF. See the sixth question. 65 and 91. 65 and 91. So take 65, 91. 65 ones are 65. So 6. And here it is 8, 26, drop 65, 26 twos are 52, 26 twos are 52, it is 30, drop 26, 30 twos are 26, remainder is 0. So you have to do up to 0. Okay, then so HCF is equal to 30. HCF is equal to 30. Go for the next problem. Seventh problem. 112 and 144, sorry. Okay, see 112 and 144. One time will go done. So 2, 32. 112 done. 32 threes. How much it is? 94. 33 twos are 96. So 6 and 1. Drop 32 now. Drop 32. So 32 you have to drop. 16 twos are 32. So remainder is 0. So HCF is equal to 16. So 112 and 144 HCF is 60. See the 8th problem. 7, 9 and 11. Observe here 7 and 11 are prime numbers. So these are co-primes. Co-prime means HCF is 1. Co-prime means highest common factor is 1. So HCF of 7, 9, 11 is 1. No need to find. If you want to find, do the process. Do the process here. They given 3 numbers. Smallest you have to select as divisor and greatest as dividend. So 7 ones are 7. 4 drop 7. 4 ones are 4. 3 drop 4. 3 ones are 3, 1, drop 3, 1 threes are 3, 0. Take 1 and the remaining number is 9, you have to divide. 1 9s are 9, remaining prime. You can easily identify the co-prime numbers. Here the given 7 and 11 are prime numbers. They doesn't have any common factor. That's why its common factor is 1. So HCF is 1. Otherwise you have to find with process. Okay, then go for the next problem, 9th problem. 12, 16 and 28. Okay, now you have to select small as the divisor and the greatest one is the dividend. 12 twos are 24. So 4 drop 12, 4 threes are 12, remainder is 0. And take this divisor and divide the next number with 4. 4 4s are 16. So here to get remainder 0. So HCF is equal to 4. Go for the 10th problem. 20, 50 and 70. So many models are there to find HCF. Okay, then? So you have to select 20 as divisor and 70 as dividend. 23s are 60, 10, drop 20, 10 twos are 20, remainder is 0. And take the 10 and divide with the 50 with the 10, 10 5s are 50, so remainder is 0. HCF is equal to 10. One more model is there. See, 20 can expressed as 10 into 2. Already you did this model in 4th class also, prime factorization method. 50, 10 into 5, 70, 10 into 7. Here it is common and observe the next factors. If it has common factor 1, then HCF is 10. This is one model. One more model is that 20 can express as prime factors, product of prime factors. For example, 20 can written as 2 into 2 into 5. 50, 2 into 5 into 5. 70, 2 into 5 into 7. So what are common in how to circle? This 2 is common in both and this 5 is common in both. And remaining all are not common in these 3. You have to select each from one from that common factors. It is 2 and here from 5 it is 10. Okay. So which one is comfort? With comfort you have to do that method. Okay. Now I think this is comfort for everybody. Okay. So exercise 28 completed. Done. Go for 29. 29. See here, for the first question is 2 by 3 of an hour. 2 by 3 of an hour is a dash minutes they are asking. Here they want to convert into minutes now. 2 by 3 into 1 hour, half means into none. 1 hour, here the question they are asking in minutes, you have to convert into minutes. Hour is equal to 60 minutes. 320 is nana, that is equal to 40 minutes. Okay, now that is the answer. Okay, see the second question. 1 by 4 of kg, 1 by 4 of 16 kg, not kg, is equal dash centigrams. Dash cent. Oh, sorry, here they are asking dash kg only. Okay, now see already you know how to do this one. 1 by 4. Here no need to convert into any unit. They are asking answer in also kgs. So 1 by 4 into 16 kg, 4 4s that is 1 into 4, that is 4 kg. Okay, see the third question. 5 by 10 of a rupee. 5 by 10 of a rupee is equal to pies. They are asking to find the answer in pies. So you have to convert rupee into pies. 5 by 10 of 1 rupee and 100. So 1 rupee means 100 pies. 5 by 10 into 100 pies. To convert that rupee into pies. How many times 10 goes in 100? 10 times. It is equal to 50 pies. It is the answer is 50 pies. Okay, na? You have to read the question properly and understand the question. After that you have to do the problem. Okay, na? So in which they are asking answer. Okay, now see the next fourth question. 9 by 16 of 112 liters. The question is also in liters, no need to convert in any unit. Okay, we have to do calculations. See, 9 by 16, 9 by 16 of 112 liters. That is 9 by 16 into 112 liters. How many times will go, Nana? 7 times. 9 sevens are 63 liters. So the answer is 63 liters. See the fifth question. 5 by 6 of 96 minutes. 96 minutes. The question is in seconds. Here the question is in seconds. 5 by 6 of 96 minutes. Now the question is in seconds. So I have to write 5 by 6 of 96 minutes is equal to 5 by 6 into 96 minutes. Okay, Nana? How many times 6 goes? 16 times. 15 6 are how much, Nana? 5 16s are 80 minutes. But here the question is in seconds, Nana. 1 second, 1 minute equals 60 seconds. To multiply with 60. That is 4800 seconds. 4800 seconds. Okay, Nana? Next, sixth problem. Sixth problem. 3 by 5 of 45 meters. 45 meters is equal dash centimeters. The question is in centimeters. Now we have to convert meters into centimeters. 3 by 5 of 45 meters. That is 3 by 5 into 45 meters. First we have to calculate in meters. 5 nines are, that is 27 meters. 27 meters. You have to convert 27 meters into centimeters. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. You have to multiply with 100 to get the answer in centimeters. 2700 centimeters. And see the seventh question. 8 square into 10 square. Square means you have to multiply the numbers 2 times. 8 into 8. 10 square means 10 into 10. 6400. 8 8 is 64 Nana. 2 zeros you have to keep. See 8th one. Here they are asking write as a ratio. The ratio so you don't know this is a new word. Ratio means you have to write compare two quantities, similar quantities. That is that can be written in the form A is to B, where A is called consecuent and B is called antecedent, B is called consecuent. B consecuent. Okay, consecuent. So ratio can expressed as A is to B and can written as A is to B. That read as is A is to B. A is to B. A is to B. This is read as A is to B. See the ninth question. The reciprocal of 7 by 12 is. Reciprocal means when you multiply two numbers, the product is 1. The product is 1. Then each one. Product is 1. Then each one is reciprocal to other. Reciprocal to other. Okay, na? Reciprocal to other. See, observe here they given 7 by 12. How much you multiply to get 1? 12 by 7. That is 1. 7 7 cancel. 12 12 cancel. So the reciprocal of 7 by 12 is 12 by 7. Simply you have to change numerator as denominator, denominator as numerator. Okay, but the concept is the product of two numbers is 1. Then each one is called reciprocal to other. So how much you multiply with 7 by 12 to get the product is 1? 12 by 7. So 12 by 7 is the reciprocal of 7 by 12. See the 12th one, 10th one. 12 into 125 into 8. 125 into 8. So 425s make 100. Already you know very well this one. 125 8s make 1000. If anywhere 125 is there, you have to write 1000 by 8. So it is 12 into 1000. So that is equal to 12,000. Okay, that is 12,000. So today's class completed. Bye children.